I've got to be real here. At least this has happened once in our life. You know, you want to do something and then you get motivated, you get hyped, you get really energetic to do it, you get excited. You even told your friends that you're gonna start something and it will change your life. And then the day comes, that day where you said, I'm gonna start. And then the motivation has betrayed you. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 instant tricks to use to motivate yourself. Number 1, grind your tasks. This is basically narrowing down your projects to little chunks of activities. So, for example, let's say you want to study 2 chapters from a subject. Instead of thinking that as a whole 2 chapter, what I want you to do is just classify the first chapter into 4 parts and then also the second one into 4 parts. So now instead of thinking that you're going to study 2 whole chapters, you only study 1 part and then you do the second part. You finish all 4 parts and that will motivate you, that will make you keep going. Number 2, make yourself not feel alone. So in this trick, what I want you to do is to call someone, to call a friend, to co-worker that is on the same position as you, or search the internet for your duplicate procrastinators. Why? Let me give you an example. Let me go back to first example. So you want to study, and when you think about studying, you feel like you're left behind. You feel like a lot of people are being productive, but you're not. So here, call to them. Call to them and ask them how their day is going, what tricks they are using to get motivated. When you do this, you realize that you're not alone and you're not left behind. Quick note here, don't call the smartest dude, because he'd be like, yeah, I've studied all the chapters for the exam and I'm getting prepared for next year. The third trick, avoid the unnecessary. When you're about to do something, I just want you to take a moment and ask yourself, is it essential to do this now? A lot of times we love to do the unnecessary stuff, things that won't help us to finish the projects at hand. So cut all those things that you wrote on your to-do list that won't cause any significant change in your life. Number 4, ask for help. Our ego a lot of times make us feel like we are superheroes and we can do a lot of things, but you have to know that if you want to do things efficiently and effectively, you gotta learn to delegate your tasks. Ask for help and just focus on those projects that are waiting for you on your table. The last trick for today, use mantras. These are words that will help you to keep going, to keep pushing, to do more. Navy SEALs have their own mantras when they're in dangerous situations that will keep them rock steady and feel calm. So on our tasks, we need to have our own mantras to keep pushing, to crush that day. So these are the 5 tricks that will make you motivated when you don't feel like working. Save them and they will save you one day. Hope you enjoyed the video and also find it knowledgeable. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Ciao.